Halloween theme. Let's get started. Okay, Arian Smith here. Since it's almost Halloween, I thought I'd throw this out at you. But it's not the right way to play it, but it's the easy way to play it. And it sounds like it somewhat. I guarantee people's going to know what it is. So you'll be playing this. So you go. Just like that. Pretty easy, just fast on this hand, on your right hand, but it's pretty simple to do. But yeah, like I said, this is not the right way to play it, but it is easier, and I think people know what it is. So you should have this easy before Halloween. So let's do it again. It'll go. See how I do it? And this is all I got of it. I know it's a great big long song and everything, but this is all I got. This is a main tune thing of it. And if you notice, see how I switched to A first? So you're going switch to A, and then the B. So it goes F sharp, A, B flat, F sharp, A, B flat. So see, it's pretty simple. But you're going about like this. So there you go. The Halloween, just real, real fast lesson here. The Halloween theme, but I have another one. So here's the other one. But what I'm going to do, because it's going to be a little bit longer lesson, is I need 25 people by we're saying the 20th. 25 people to request this song of the Exorcist theme. If not, I'll move on to the next song. And it goes like this. Let's see. I'll get it. So I gotta get it warmed up. Yeah, it goes like that. So it's. Okay, do it again. A lot of people might already learned it, but that's the Exorcist theme. If you want to learn that, it's much quicker. I mean, it's going to be a little bit harder, definitely. So again, it goes let's see. Well, okay, here we go. Just like that. I haven't known that song very long, so I'm learning myself. But that's it. I'll do it again. And if you pick it up, that's fine. But if you actually want to learn this song, I need 25 people. Just put your request in this on this song, and and by the 20th, and then I'll put it out as a lesson. If not, we'll go to the next lesson. So here we go again. Yeah, yeah. So there you go. So the Exodus theme, if you want to learn it, put the request in. And now you're going to learn what the next lesson is, unless I get 25 people. And this Exodus theme will be the lesson on the 20th. So till next time, later.